Hello, third grade parents. I am jumping on real quick and making this video for you guys of how our week is going to work when we start our cohorts next week. And this video is for cohort B parents. So if you're an at-home or a cohort A parent, you do not need to watch this because your child will have a different routine. Your student in cohort B will come home today, Friday, December 4th, and we'll have a packet. It will look like this. It says cohort B, and then it has a check sheet. So I'm going to share my screen in just a second so that you can see what the packet looks like. Let me focus it. There we go. Okay, so this is the packet that will come home with your student. It has the date and then everything that they need to do for that date is on this paper. For reading on Monday, they will read the Freaky Frogs. We're doing a unit on frogs, if you haven't been told that by your kiddos yet. And it is in this packet. That's actually the next page. So they'll read that story, answer questions that are on the Google form on Canvas. Your student is very good at going to Canvas and finding what they need. We've practiced at school. They do it almost every day. But here are just some other directions on how they will find the Google form where they will submit their answers. Every day we ask them to do 20 minutes of iReady reading. My path is just the lessons where they tested and iReady has put them at their level of need. And so it's giving them lessons that are teaching them math and reading on their own levels. We ask that the students do 20 minutes of independent reading. This can be any book that they have at home, library book from home that you guys already have, what book you have. And then they're going to log their minutes on their Read 20 website. They also are very good at doing that. They go to their digital portal and know how to get to their Read 20 website to log in their independent reading. For writing, they're going to read the Freaky Frog story. Then there is a writing prompt that they will read. It tells them to write a paragraph. Success criteria is what we use in our classes to make sure that they are successful on the assignment. So just like the front sheet, this is a checkoff sheet of things that they need in their paragraph so that they can get a good grade on their writing. Please send a picture of that paragraph to your child's teacher on Class Dojo. For math, they're going to have some addition problems. It's a front and back. They're going to do the work on the actual piece of paper, 2 pieces of paper actually, that are in their workbook, in their packet. Then they will put the answers on the Google form on their Canvas page, just like they put the answers for their reading on their Canvas page. For science, they have a worksheet. The answers will go on both the worksheet and the Google form on Canvas, and the same thing with social studies. All of the work that they will need to do for Monday is behind the Monday blue piece of paper. When they get to the second blue piece of paper, and you can imagine what it's going to say, it will say Tuesday. Excuse me, I need to sneeze. Excuse me. It will say Tuesday. It will be the same kind of checkoff sheet. And then it will have all of the items they need for Tuesday's assignments behind that piece of paper. Wednesday will be the same thing. There will be a new piece of paper with all of this assignments behind that. All of the answers will be submitted on the Google form on Canvas. The only live class we are going to have with cohort B students next week will be at 9 o'clock on Wednesday. They will need to log on to their Canvas page at 9 o'clock on Wednesday, and they have practiced how to get on a Zoom, and they will have a lesson with their third grade teacher live over the computer. So that's all the information that I'm gonna give you about the packets. I'm going to do another video in just a second that shows you just how to get to things on Canvas and what the students will do to get to where they submit their assignments. Thank you.